You're ready for a new credit card, but what's the point if you can't snag that huge sign-up bonus? We all know the feeling of applying, getting approved, then staring at those bonus requirements wondering, what exactly do I need to do to get that cash or those miles? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the 2 non-negotiable rules for qualifying for a Capital One credit card sign-up bonus so you can earn that welcome offer with total confidence. 1. Meet the minimum spend requirement. The first rule is the most straightforward, and it's one you'll see on pretty much any rewards credit card. To qualify for the bonus, you must spend a specific dollar amount on purchases within a set time frame. For a card like the Capital One Venture X Rewards credit card or the Capital One Venture Rewards credit card, you might need to spend $4,000 on purchases within the first 3 months of opening your account to earn 75,000 bonus miles. For a card like the Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards credit card, the requirement is much lower, maybe $500 within 3 months for a $200 cash bonus. The key here is twofold. Purchases only, the spending must be on purchases. Balance transfers, cash advances, and fees like an annual fee do not count toward this minimum. Time is money, pay close attention to the clock. Most offers give you 3 months from account opening, but always check the specific card's terms. You'll want to hit that spend with time to spare. If you meet this spending goal, the bonus is typically applied to your rewards balance within 2 billing cycles after the requirement is met. 2. Abide by the 48-month rule. This second rule is what trips up a lot of people and is crucial for Capital One welcome bonuses. It's called the 48-month rule, and it's all about preventing you from getting the same bonus over and over again. Here's what the fine print on most of Capital One's rewards cards will say. Existing or previous card members are not eligible for this product if they have received a new card member bonus for this product in the past 48 months. Let's break down what that means. The 48-month clock, which is 4 years, is tied to the specific product and the date you received the bonus. For example, if you got the welcome bonus for the Capital One Venture Rewards credit card 4 years ago and then closed that card, you need to wait the full 48 months from when you received that first bonus to be eligible for a bonus on a new Venture Rewards card application. It is a per-product rule. If you recently got the bonus for a Capital One Venture card, you may still be eligible for the bonus on a different card, like the Capital One Saver Rewards card, assuming you meet the credit criteria for both and haven't gotten the Saver bonus in the last 48 months. The essential pregame steps. Before you even hit apply now, you need to take 2 critical pregame steps to ensure you're approved and eligible. First, check your credit level. Capital One groups its cards by the credit level needed for approval: excellent, good, fair, and rebuilding. Cards like the Venture and Saver typically require excellent credit. You can use Capital One's pre-approval tool to see which cards you qualify for without a hard inquiry on your credit report. This is a smart move that saves you time and protects your credit score. Second, check for other Capital One restrictions. Capital One generally limits you to 1 new card approval every 6 months. Space out your applications if you're trying to add multiple Capital One products. Follow these 2 core requirements, the minimum spend and the 48-month rule, and take those pre-game steps, and you'll be set up to successfully qualify for that valuable Capital One sign-up bonus. Happy earning! With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.